The most anticipated SPAC deal is here. Lucid Motors and Churchill Capital Corporation, New York Stock Exchange, ticker symbol CCIV, have announced that they have entered into a definitive merger agreement for a business combination. Lucid Motors and CCIV are combining at a transaction equity value of $11.75 billion. The deal is the largest among deals between electric vehicle companies and blank check firms. Lucid Motors is led by ex-Tesla executive and automotive veteran Peter Rawlinson. The transaction will provide capital to bring Lucid's luxury sedan Lucid Air that has a 500-mile range to market, and also offer a broad range of electric vehicle products that are based on Lucid's proprietary electric powertrain technology. The CCIV deal has been subjected to extreme market euphoria. The $10 SPAC was trading at $60 at one time before the merger had been announced. FOMO was kicking in as retail investors were latching on to every piece of news that was offered regarding the merger agreement. But once the merger was announced, the stock tanked and it was trading in $30 range yesterday in intraday trading. Clearly, the traders were taking out their profits. At one time, Lucid Motors was expected to hit $100 a share. What is so special about Lucid Motors, and is it really worth $100 a share? In this video, we will take a deep dive analysis of the company background and product offerings of Lucid. Lucid has more than the Lucid Air offering alone. It has a whole suite of EV products that are based on proprietary patented technologies. The Lucid Air can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.5 seconds. It also has a range of 500 miles on a single charge. We will then go through the merger transaction details and the share structure. This is a unique transaction in that the retail investors have priced the company at $11.75 billion enterprise value, whereas PIPE investors are paying $15 a share, a 50% premium to the valuation. We will then try to come up with a valuation and take a look at the risk factors. So please stay for the entire video so you get all the details about this exciting and euphoric luxury electric vehicle SPAC. Hi, this is Arshad Ahmed, founder of DIYstockpicker.com, an investment portal dedicated to help investors make intelligent decisions. This video is for information purposes, and please do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. The 500-mile, 1080 horsepower Lucid Air electric sedan 2021 is the flagship product offering of Lucid Motors. It has an all-wheel drive architecture and it can go a quarter mile in less than 10 seconds. It is the only electric vehicle sedan that can go a quarter mile in less than 10 seconds. Not only is it powerful, but it also has an extended battery life range. On a single charge, a Lucid Air can go more than 500 miles. It is also the fastest charging electric vehicle sedan in market. It has a range of over 300 miles on a single charge of only 20 minutes. The sedan is powered by Lucid's proprietary battery technology. Lucid Motors has more than 10 years of experience and millions of miles driven to develop its battery technology. The car comes with all the bells and whistles expected of a luxury sedan. With glass canopy ceilings, the most advanced infotainment systems, and micro-lens lighting technology, the Lucid Air will be available in 4 models in North America. The all-inclusive limited volume Air Dream Edition available spring 2021 at a price tag of $169,000. The fully equipped Air Grand Touring available mid-2021 from $139,000. Air Touring model available late 2021 from $95,000. The Air Pure, the starting point for the lineup, available in 2022 from $77,000. All these prices include a $7,500 federal credit. The following are some of the key highlights of Lucid Motors. The company is headquartered in the heart of Silicon Valley in Newark, California. The company currently employs 2,000 people and is expected to add more than 3,000 people by the end of 2022. The existing reservations signify $650 million of anticipated sales. Lucid has 403 patent applications, out of which 80% have been granted. These patents are in critical areas of powertrains, battery packs, and infotainment systems. The company has over 10 years of experience in developing of battery packs and BMS. These battery packs power 100% of the vehicles in the world premier EV racing series. The Lucid Air has 32 sensors and is prepared for level 2 autonomy. This autonomy driving capability will have over-the-air updates capability. The company has a partnership with Electrify America to provide DC fast charging. The first year of charging is included free with the purchase. The vehicles are also compatible with ChargePoint and EVgo charging networks. The company is employing a direct sales strategy by opening Lucid Studios, where the cars will be displayed and brand awareness can be created among the consumers. The company already has 6 locations open and is opening multiple locations in different parts of the United States. The company plans to open its Lucid studios in Europe and Middle East and Asia starting the second half of 2022. The company has built the first ever greenfield EV manufacturing facility at Casa Grande, Arizona. The first phase is complete and has a production capacity of 34,000 vehicles per year. The second phase is currently implemented and after completion will increase the capacity to 94,000 units per year. After the completion of third phase, a total of 365,000 cars can be produced per year in the facility. The Lucid Electric Advanced Platform, also called the LEAP platform, is the skateboard chassis designed from Lucid. This incorporates 6 key components leading to a modular design. This in turn increases the speed to market for different vehicle variants. The Gravity SUV, which is expected to hit the market in 2023, will also be built on the LEAP platform, as will all future Lucid vehicles. This is similar to Canoo's skateboard chassis. Faraday features variable platform architecture. Tesla also employs a skateboard chassis design model. Just a few miles away from Lucid's manufacturing facility is Lucid's powertrain manufacturing facility, where it manufactures battery packs, BMS systems, powertrains, and two-way chargers. These provide significant opportunities in energy capture technology. In addition to its in-house technological and manufacturing capabilities, Lucid also has supply agreements for its battery cells with LG Chemicals. The company also plans to venture into energy storage solutions for commercial and utility scale energy sector. The battery packs can be sold separately to a variety of industries like aircrafts, eVTOLs, military, agriculture, etc. Let's take a look at the merger transaction details. $11.75 billion acquisition value, $4.5 billion cash to balance sheet to fund the growth. The transaction includes $2 billion of cash held in trust and $2.5 billion of PIPE financing. The deal is expected to close in the second quarter of 2021. The CCIV ticker will change to LCID upon closing. The PIPE investment is led by Public Investment Fund, as well as funds managed by BlackRock and other investment entities. This transaction includes the largest ever SPAC-related common stock PIPE. The PIPE is priced at $15 per share, which is a 50% premium to CCIV's net asset value. This implies an equity value of $24 billion for the company. Let's look at the share structure. Total shares outstanding of approximately 1.6 billion, 73.5% existing Lucid shareholders, 10% PIPE investors, 16.1% CCIV SPAC shareholders. Let's try to come up with a valuation for the company. The global luxury car market, it was $495 billion in 2018 and is expected to reach $733 billion by 2026. The EV vehicles represent 5% of the vehicles sold. This growth is fueled by the federal regulations and tax credits, as well as different mandates by governments towards the drive for clean vehicles. There is also an awareness among customers to adopt clean energy vehicles. Lucid Motors aims to capture 2% of the luxury car market by 2021 and 4% of the market share by 2030. That will be 500,000 units of the total 15 million units expected to be sold in 2030. The North America deliveries are expected to start in the second half of 2021. The Europe, Middle East, Africa and China deliveries are expected to starting the second half of 2022. The management is expecting $14 billion of revenue and EBITDA of $1.67 billion by the end of 2025. The company is expected to be cash flow positive by 2025 with $321 million of free cash flow. We'll use a valuation multiple of 20 for EV by EBITDA. That gives an enterprise value of $33.4 billion. Divide $33.4 billion enterprise value by the 1.6 billion shares outstanding. That gives a valuation of $21 per share in 2025 estimated. There are a few risk factors involved in investing in Lucid Motors. The company has just entered the production phase. This is when the rubber meets the road literally. The success of the company depends on how well it tools its factory, sources its raw materials, sets up its sales and distribution channels. There has been so much hype generated for the stock. Any slip in future deliveries will lead to a lot of selling pressure on the stock. If the vehicles fail to meet the performance targets, the production of future vehicles will take a hit. That will in turn lead to less than projected revenues. Tesla had to go through so many hardships before it turned cash flow positive and was able to monetize its other revenue streams. The same applies for Lucid Motors as well. Manufacturing and selling cars is a capital intensive business. Agreed, the luxury car market is a niche. However, the success of the market depends on the global economic conditions. I hope you found the video informational. I have analyzed the Faraday Future luxury EV car stock. You should see that here on the end screen, and I hope to see you in that video. Thanks for watching.